Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 10b. Okay, so in this chapter, in this exercise, we will solve addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of metric units of length. So, how we will perform this of these operations? First, addition of matrix unit. What is the rule? So, rule is that addition of matrix unit is done in the same way as we do whole numbers. Okay, there will be no any changes as we are doing for the whole number. In the same way we will do. There are two ways for adding matrix. So there are two methods. The first method, you can convert to smaller unit and then add them. Means whatever the unit is given, you have to convert in the smaller unit and then after add. First of all, we have to, like it is given meter and centimeter, so we will change to the smallest unit. Smallest, which one is the smallest? Meter and centimeter, of course centimeter. So we will change the in the same unit to the centimeter, and then after we will do. You can add the unit by writing them in a column wise. Second method, you can add the unit by writing in column wise, or you can write in the column wise, and column wise means one by one you can write, means below of 1. This is the first method. It is given 32 meter and 76 centimeter. You can check that. It means centimeter is the smallest among these two, meter and centimeter. Okay, so centimeter, so we will change this all in the centimeter. So you can check that this 32 meter and 76 centimeter change to the centimeter. This part we have done the similarly the same way. Then after you can add. This is the one method. Okay, another method, we have just know two methods we have. This is the first method, you can change in the smallest unit then add. Second, writing in the column wise. Now second method, you can see this is writing in the column wise and add. That means you can see this centimeter part in the same, all the value of centimeter in one side, all the meters in the one side, and you can do the perform the operations likewise step, like carry will come, it will go to the other side, and likewise you can do it. Okay, and same for the subtraction also, you have to take the borrow from others. Okay, so these are two methods. Either you can convert them in the smallest unit, okay, and then after add. Okay, after adding it, you can check that here we have, they have added. Then after divided by 100. Why? Because 7060 centimeter it is. Okay, so it is not in the standard form, so divided by 100 to make it in the meter and centimeter. Okay, now directly we come to the exercise. So these are the examples, solved examples are there, you can see that. Okay, so you can see here also there are some methods for like that. They have taken like this borrow, they have taken 1 kilometer, 23 kilometer, and likewise they have done it. Okay, so let's do the some questions, then you will understand. So exercise 10b, first question, add. We have to add, so here I am going to solve number b. So let's do the number b. Okay, and this is the chart. Okay, as I told that you have to always, this is the very useful chart to conversion, you have to remember this one anyhow. Okay, highest to lowest, lowest to highest, already we have discussed. If you are coming from lowest to highest, this way you have to divide. Okay, if you are coming from highest to lowest, you will multiply. Okay, so very important chart these are, so you have to remember this one. Okay, so now let's solve number b. So question number b, just do it. Okay, so number b is it is 35. Okay, so write 35 kilometer. Okay, 35 kilometer and 595, which is meter. Okay, just below that we will write the others values, that is 892. Here you can write meter, and this side 16 kilometer, and these two values we have to add. Okay, so now this meter same unit we have, so write the same unit meter. Okay, now 5 plus 2 799, that is 18, carry 1. Okay, 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14, so we cannot write here 14. Okay, so this 14 means actually it is here 14, so that one will goes to the carry to this side. Okay, understood? Or I just give you why this one went that side, another side. This is actually this side, if it is how much it is there. After adding these two value 595 and 892, when you add, so you will get 487, and which is in the meter. Okay, but we cannot write this like this, so we will divide it by 1000. So to convert in the kilometer, to this meter to kilometer, we have to divide this. So 1487 divided by 1000. So whenever you will divide the 1000, so point will come there, so 487. So you can see this part is your meter part and this is your kilometer part. Okay, so now you can check that, so this kilometer went as a carry, so that gone for the carry, and this is remained for year. So see here, 487 is the same and 1 is come for carry there. Okay, so now this kilometer, now kilometer you can write the same kilometer over here. Now 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 12, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So it is your 52 kilometer 487 meter. Okay, similarly in question number 2 we have question number 2. In question number 2 we have to subtract. What we have to do? We have to subtract. So number B I am going to solve. We have to only subtract. Subtraction is there. So question is 75. So 75 kilometer, in 75 kilometer we have to 275 meter. You can see number 2, this number 2, 54 kilometer 645 meter. From 75 kilometer 275 meter means here we have to subtract this value. Okay, from it is written, so do it now. 75 kilometer 275 meter, so this side is given 54 kilometer, means always this is I am writing in the column wise. Okay, so here is 645 meter. So you can solve this question by the one method. Already I told that was, you have to convert that all unit in the smallest unit and you can subtract, or you can do in this way also. So now you can see, can we subtract first meter, you can write the same. So now you can see here is 275 and here 645. Can we subtract these two? No, we cannot subtract. So how you will subtract? So we will take the borrow from here. So we will take the borrow. So this 75 give the one borrow. So now if 75 give one borrow, so here will be 74. Here what will left? This side will left 74 only. Okay, and 1 will come here. So this 1 will come here. This 1 is nothing but 1 kilometer it will come, because here it is kilometer. So this 1 kilometer, but this side is in the meter. So 1 kilometer, in 1 kilometer how many meter? In 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter. Okay, so it means this, whenever it 1 kilometer come to this side, this become now 1000, because this side is of 1000. Now you can see here, this is, you can see here, this 1000 meter, and there is 275. So you can add like this, 1000 and 275, because not this carry plus already available one. So you can add first 5721. So now this part became 1275. Now we can subtract 645 easily. So subtract here 645. Okay, in this we can subtract 645. Now subtract it here. So when you will subtract it, so it will be 0, here will be 3, here will be 6. Okay, so 630 now we got. So this 630, now you can write here 630. Okay, now meter it is. Now this side you can write kilometer. Now here it is left 74. Okay, so 74 minus 54 you can do. So 4 minus 4 0, and there will be 2. So your answer is 20 kilometer and 630 meter. Okay, understood how we have taken carry and how it's converted? Okay, now let's do the next question. Let's solve next question. That's question number 3. Seema traveled from her office to her home by rickshaw and metro. She covered distance of 5 kilometer 456 meter by metro and 1 kilometer and 535 meter by rickshaw. How far her office from the home? Means total distance we have to get. Means simply you have to add 5 kilometers 456 and 1 kilometer 535 meter. Both you have to add. You can do it by yourself. Total distance you have to add these two values. Same, right? As we have added these two values, similarly you have to add these two values, that will be the total distance. Okay, so you can do it by yourself. Now number 4 is that Pinky took 6 meter 37 centimeter colored paper from the class teacher. She used 4 meter 53 centimeter in wrapping gift for the children for of an office. She returned the rest to the class teacher. How much paper was written? So means total she took 6 meter 37 centimeter and she returned used this much. So how much paper left? So simply you have to subtract. So just I'm solving this one. You have to subtract this one. Same like you just know it, so you can do it this also. Very easy. Number 4, return paper we have to find out. So you can write return paper. Okay, so return paper. So total paper she got is earlier she took 6 meter 37 centimeter and we have to subtract 4 meter and 853 centimeter. Okay, that we have to subtract. Okay, now you can see, can we subtract 37 in 53? Can we subtract 53 in 37? No. So it means we will take the borrow. So it will be, here will be 5 and 1 will come here. So this side will come 1 meter. So this 1 meter became now how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. When this side will come, it will be 100 centimeter. Now this 100 centimeter, because here is the centimeter part, so 100 centimeter plus 37, so this will be 137. Now we can subtract 53. So now subtract 53. So here it will be 4 and here will be 8. So now it is 84. So write 84 centimeter. Now here is 5 minus 4, which is 1. So right here 1 meter. So your answer is 1 meter 84 centimeter. Got it? Okay. Now see the next question. Next question we have number 5. BJ has 6 gifts, each of required 1 meter 25 centimeter of ribbon. Okay, to warp. There is one gift and this much of ribbon is required for warping the one gift. What is the total length of the ribbon required? Means if you will warp one paper, one gift, you will require 1 meter 25 centimeter. Such how many gifts you have to warp? 6. So you have to multiply it. So number 5 you can do it like this. So question number 5. So total length we have to find. So simply you write total length of ribbon. Okay, so either you convert these all units in the same unit and you can multiply, like it is given 1 meter 25 centimeter, so you can convert this, so you will get 125 centimeter. Okay, and then you can multiply by 6. That's the one method. Another method, simply you can multiply writing in the column wise. So which is 1 meter, so you write here 1 meter. Another part is given 25 centimeter, right? 25 centimeter. Okay, then our next step, what you have to do, you have to write in the separate wise. Okay, now this will multiply by the 6. Total it is how much? 6. Okay, so now you can multiply it. So first you can see you have to multiply this 25 and 6 together. So 25 into 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay, 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, how much? 50. Okay, so here you write 50. Okay, here you can see 50, 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1, 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, that's the 7. Now here is what? Meter. So you write here meter, here it was centimeter. So your answer is 7 meter and 50 centimeter. In this way you can do, or you can change in the same unit and you can do. Now next question you can see number 6. A relay team of 4, a total 4 kilometer 936 meter. Okay, so how much distance covered by each? Is total distance. Okay, so 4 have run in this total, they have run this much. So how much distance covered by each? So here what we will do, we will convert in the same unit. We will solve this by the method 1. This question number 6 we will solve by the method 1. First of all, 6 kilometer 936 meter. So first of all we will change in the same unit. Okay, so which one is the smallest unit? Meter. So we will change this all, this kilometer also in the meter. So first of all we write in the plus form. So 4 kilometer plus 936 meter. Okay, now this is already in meter, so we will change only this part. So here you write 4 in, so kilometer to meter we are changing, kilometer to meter. So you can check how many steps we are coming, kilometer to meter. Here is the kilometer and basic unit will be meter. Here how many step? 1 2 3 step, and up to down we are coming multiply. So 10 into 10 into 10, it will be 1000. So simply we will multiply by how much? 1000. So do it here. So multiply by 1000. Now this will become meter and plus 936 meter. Okay, now you can add it. So it will be 4000 meter plus 936 meter. Okay, after adding, so 4936 meter. Okay, so we got this is, okay, this is the total distance in the meter. Now we will divide. So distance covered by each person, so we have to find the distance covered by distance covered by each person. Okay, distance covered by each person. So this distance means 400, which is 4936 will be divided by how much person? 4 person. Divide by 4. So 4 1 ja 4. Okay, now 9 will come, 4 2 ja 8. So write here 8. 1 will be the now 3. So how many times? Again 3 times. So it will be 12. 1. So now 16. How many times? So it will be 4 times. So it will be 16. So what we got here? 1234. So it means we got 1234, and this is your meter. 1234 meter. Now we will change into the kilometer and meter. This 1234 meter we will change in the kilometer as well as in the meter. So what we will do? We will divide it. So 1200. So we will divide, because meter to kilometer again it is coming 3 step up. So means smallest to highest we are going, we will divide by 1000. So it will be 1.234, and which is kilometer. Okay, so here we can write this whole part as a meter, sorry, kilometer, and this this after decimal 234. Here you can write 234, that is your meter. So your answer is 1 kilometer 234 meter. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay.